What's up, guys? Welcome back to another gig log. We are back at it again doing sound for Deshan Styler Naidoo and his band. So we're currently at the venue now. You can see in the back we're fully loaded. Got two tops, two monitors, subs, and drum mics and stuff like that. But you'll see it once I set everything up. So I'm gonna load in now. I'm gonna try and put you guys on a time lapse and see if it works out this time. But if not, I'll take you through the setup once we're done. It should be quick. It should take about 45 minutes, including unload, to get it done. And then I'll show you all what we're using, and then obviously clips of the band, and then catch you guys up at the end. But anyway, thanks for coming along with this one, and hope you enjoyed. Guys, I'm done. It didn't take long, like I said, about 45 minutes. But yeah, let me take you through what we're using and what we set up already. As you can see, for the front, these are not ours, so that and that is not ours. So we have Alto TS3 15s. We outsourced that for this event. So TS3 15s for this. We got our EV subs in the center. And then if I take you on stage, we have both of our TS2 15s as monitors, as side fills. So we have one there and companion on this side, another one here. So that's there. Tech well, for this, because the full band is playing, Deshan's full band, so we're using the QPAC, running into the DBX and the patch panel out into this in the front of house. We have two monitors that we're using, which are going to channel 1, channel 2. We might be using the D-Tech cordless mics. It's currently off now. We might be using it. I don't know. So we have drums going into up to channel 5. We have keys, bass, lead, Deshan's vocals, and an MC cordless, which will be the D-Tech. We just bought some DI boxes, so it's hybrid passive DI boxes. So we got one there, and we have one on this side. That's for them to use. So it's gonna be a good one, fun one, a quick one. You won't see the second gig. We got 2 gigs today. The second one is a private event, so I won't be doing gig log on that, but you will check it up on my Instagram, or you would have seen it by the time I do this gig log. So the system's not on. I'm gonna power it on now, speaker wise, test everything, and make sure everything is working. So stay tuned for clips, and I'll catch you guys up on the end.
Always நெஞ்சு ஜல 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 சொல்ல 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 சொல்லுங்க வராமே நதிக்கதி ஓரம் ஒரே ஒரு பார்வை பார்த்தேன் புறாவே நான் சொன்னேன் கணாமையோடி கண்ணில் வரும் காட்சியெல்லாம் கண்மணிய ஊரோத்தம் காணாத just as long as you stand by me. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me, oh, stand by me, just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me, oh, stand by me, just as long as you stand by me. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल बढ़ जाए,
Yes guys, and that's a wrap. As you can hear from the background, they're finishing up the few songs you would have saw the videos. Guys were excited, they were dancing, it was for the AB at home. Good one, they enjoyed themselves. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell to receive more content once we release it. And we will get some more content out as soon as we can. We're just a bit slow on the editing, but we get it to you as soon as we can. And hope you'll enjoy it and stay tuned for the next one.